Here at Iron Sink Media, we have a vast library of production facilities that we use for our every video need, including a vast sound effects library, but sometimes we can't find the right sound effect for something that we need. So that's when we have to be creative. Here's a great example of one of those times.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh!
Okay, ready? I think if you can make it more than just one noise, like make there be like a secondary follow-up noise.
Like broken glass.
Ow!
That one was good, but Cliff was talking when you were doing it. Yes. Yes.
No, it was not.
He was. Go back and check the tape.
Right. Yeah, that's true. That really hurt.
I think that the water cooler sound might have been too much. Maybe we should. Yeah, because she wasn't carrying a water cooler. She's not the She's not the Sparklets guy.
Oh, wait a second. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, that was the winner.
Break the clock.
Yeah, now I'm afraid like you didn't do headphones, so it's really gonna hurt. So I'm gonna have to do it again, which I'll be really pissed about. Oh, yeah.
Should we get it one more time for protection?
Okay.
See, that was finally a good video.